Part 5. How to upload receipts. On the Alternative Formats page, navigate to the Upload Book Receipt section on the lower portion of the page. Within this section, there are two columns. The File Information column on the left is where you will be uploading your receipts, while the Uploaded Receipts column on the right is where you will see all the receipts you have previously uploaded. In the subsection titled File Information, the term or semester information is noted right before the Choose File button. Press the button to select the receipt that you wish to upload. A note about receipts. If you do not have access to a digital version of any receipts, we request the cleanest image of the receipt possible so that publishers can easily verify your purchase. If you do not have access to a scanner, please download and use the Adobe Scan app linked in the video description below to your Android or iOS device to get a clean image. Any other comparable scanning app should also work. Please keep the physical receipt as flat to the surface as possible if scanning using your mobile device. In general, we ask that you avoid submitting image files taken directly with your cell phone or mobile device camera if possible. Once the receipt has been chosen for upload, proceed to the Select Course/Courses the receipt is for portion and check the appropriate course or courses for the receipt. The last portion of the column is Note, where you may type any additional information that you feel we should know about the receipt and/or course. Following the Note portion is the Upload Receipt button. Press the button once you have again verified that the chosen receipt is correct and corresponds to the course or courses selected, and repeat as needed for any additional receipts. After you submit the receipt, the page will automatically refresh and confirmation will appear at the top of the page.